So one of the culture shock that shocked me here in Ghana, I'm going to be talking about that, and I'm going to be asking a friend of mine, Majid, so he's going to give us a brief about it, the difference. So obviously you know what I want to talk. So technically in Nigeria, and we've had this conversation before, in Nigeria we have issue with electricity because sometimes there will be no light, and when there's no light, there's high chance there's no water in Nigeria. So when there's light, you would obviously see water. There you can't beat that. But in Ghana here, I think it's quite different. You would have light and you would not have water, because I think they say the government has regulated So anyways, I'm going to be asking my friend, so he's going to be giving us insight about it. Majid, can you give us an update about what's going on in Ghana, where you guys do not have water? No, you guys have water, but you guys have a specific day the government opened, I don't know what it's called, the tap or something, that you guys need to fetch water and all that. Can you literally tell us more about it?
Yeah, so depending on whatever area you live in,
okay,
each area has like specific days that you have water. Some days you get water. So when you get water, it means maybe in my area like this, you expect to get water maybe on Monday and maybe Tuesday, which is Adenta.
Okay.
So either Monday or Tuesday, you can get water. And if you miss it, if you don't have water stored, then it means you might go without water. So you have to watch out for those days. So in specific areas, there are some days like that. And then sometimes it's not like even though they are pretty reliable sometimes when it comes to that, but sometimes on those days they might miss, or I don't know what happens. You might not get water, and then they will tell you maybe you have a problem. You might go without water for some time.
So you guys hear that? So they have a specific day in a week that you are allowed to, get water to
not everywhere though.
Not everywhere.
Not everywhere, but in some parts, like let's say
some part of Ghana.
Yeah. So let's say if you the more central to
I want to get something. Sorry, I want to get something straight. The point is, in all of Ghana, there are some places that if there's light, there's water. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah, they have light and water.
Oh, like so when there's light, there's water.
Yeah.
So there's some places in Ghana also. Guys, are you hearing me? There's some places in Ghana also that is just once in a week that the government is going to open the borehole, or I don't know, give you guys water once in a week. I'll be twice in a week.
Yeah.
What regions are that? So some
mostly
people
it's like the newer areas. So let's say
like Osu, for instance.
No, so